Amazing. Yo, 2025. 20. That is amazing. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the Kellytron. As you can see here, it is the Kellytron gaming PC. Extremely expensive. Yeah, and that's just one way out to get this extremely expensive price off here. Oh man, I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay, it's 2025 model. It's extreme, yeah, and it's really fast, and we're gonna see their components now. So let's see what's inside. Let's see the organs of this amazing beast. First, we're gonna open this. So you see, this is our epic game where you put the games in here. You put it in here. You put your games. You can play for your Minecraft things, but that's not how it works. That's this. But that goes over there. So then you have the rest of this. This is where you watch DVDs. So you put your DVD and you watch TV, and then this is connected by the burn, whatever flag this is. That's where this cable came from. Apparently, this is our 8 PCIe 4 slots. It's insanely amazing. You see these slots here, amazing piece of machinery. This is really, you must be very careful with this. If something goes wrong with this, then you're gonna have a bad day. So it's not a good idea to take it out, as I've just shown you, but it should be okay. But anyway, I'll explain that. And then we see we'll show you the DVD writer. This connects the DVD writer to that. And then what else we have is the 3 petaflop storage. That's this boy here. Extremely good. Let me show you the 16 gigahertz CPU that's this. And you want to see the extremely expensive motherboard. You can take this out here. You have your motherboard here, and then you have the 12 watt power. No, it's not that. It is 12 watt power supply. You see here. There's absolutely nothing in there, but it's not actually powered by this. So if you go to the back here, you see, if you open this little slot here, you see it's actually powered by horses. It's 2 horsepower. It's not powered by any of that expensive junk. It's powered by horses. If you see this, you see what I mean here. Hey, what are you doing sleeping on the job? These guys are working extremely hard, and then you sleep on the job. What is wrong with you? Yeah, and then you have your fan here, which is extremely good. And you've got all this kind of stuff that's really, you got the 2 DVD readers that I just showed you earlier. 1 DVD singer that I think comes back out here somewhere. I think put some stuff in there. And well, yeah. And now let's see if, with all of this, let's see if this insane machine will turn on. Where is it? We're having some technical difficulties.